this is Venu here, and welcome back to another special on Venu's Tesco Mobile Benches. This is Venu's Nature. Yep, I'm just in the nature right now, and since Girlhead is feeling sick today, so I have another tick for now on. Let's go take for some animals in the nature. Ah, what a lovely night to cheer me up. All the grey nature's through the night, and it's good to see you in a dark sky. It's getting lighter next month, you can see now. Now, here's a waterfall at night. Excuse me, and I was sad yesterday. I got something even wrong, but when I was crying I heard an anything noise. And that's not all. Let's move on. Oh, we're going to carry on for that. We're going to have a nice day for some night sky. The ambulance was found. Anything touch. What I think I'm going to say is a little... Oh, excuse me. Anyway, sorry I sneezed for a minute. But anyways, so in fact and case, let's just get on for some ambulance. All we have to do now, all we have to say is... And now we're going to cut down to the trees right now. They seem very happy at night. And so now for peace and love and fun in my dreams, all I now have to say... Well, that was such a hard weekend. Thank you very much for watching Venu's Tesco Mobile Benches. And yes, I hope you had a very good time. Thank you very much, everybody. Anyways, and I repeat, thank you for watching Venu's Tesco Mobile Benches. I know a special's coming right up tomorrow. So until then, goodbye and good night, birds. Whew. That's nature, folks.